loves, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Iron Man for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by framing in the shape of the body, and then we'll add in the details after. That way it's just less confusing. So we'll start on the top, and we're going to curve this line all the way around and down, creating a nice big arch line, evening that out. We'll round out the side now. So starting from that line on the left, we're going to curve this down, flattening that out as we come into the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Just blending that back together right in the center. Let's come down from the middle, stepping out. We're going to curve this out and down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to tuck this line down, rounding that in. This will frame in the top of our leg later. And then right in the center, just closing that off with a slight curved line. Let's continue framing in the leg. So from the edge here where it tucks down, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out. So we're going to arch this over. We're going to kind of end this so it ends on a diagonal. And if you want to use a ruler to line it up better, of course you can, but you can just eyeball it as well, that's fine. Now from here on the edge, rounding out the foot, tucking that back in towards the inside. And then now on the top from the edge here, we're just going to bring this diagonal line out towards the top. Now let's just frame in the arms. So we're going to come up, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. This will be the bottom of our arm. And then we're going to round out the thumb. So we're going to curve this out. Now let's round out the hand. So we're just going to curve this all the way around, and we're going to tuck this in, continuing that up the arm to the head. Like that. Now let's come in and add the details. So we're going to come up for Iron Man's eyes. We're going to start over on the left. We're going to draw in a nice big curved line, evening that out in the center. From the middle, stepping out, we're going to, actually let's start on the edge. We'll draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. We're going to curve this line in towards the center, leaving a gap right in the middle. And then from that edge, just pulling that back up to the top. And then now in the middle, we're just going to flatten that out. Let's come up from that edge from the eye. We're going to round this out, curving that through towards the top, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're going to close that off with a nice big curved line, mirroring the shape of the top of our head. Let's come up from the center, stepping over. We're going to draw two diagonal lines coming in towards the middle, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to close this off underneath with a curved line. Let's step up. We're going to arch this over to the right. Now let's frame in the rest of the head. We're going to come down. We're going to draw a straight line coming down on either side. Let's bring our diagonal line across. Now from here, we're going to curve this in on a diagonal towards the center of the head. And then a small diagonal line coming out. We're going to drag that line back into the center. Just making sure those edges touch there. Just going to neaten that up. Now from here, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming up, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to round that out on the very top, connecting it together. Now from each corner, we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming in, and then basically just straightening that out on the top and then on the sides as well, drawing in another diagonal line. Let's add in the ears on the helmet now. So coming up, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, tucking that up, ending that at the same width. And then now from here on the left-hand side, just rounding that out. And then we'll come across and round that out on the right as well. Let's continue to move down for the torso in the center, drawing in a nice big circle. Let's move up for the neckline here, curving that across. Now let's come out. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on either side. We'll connect that together with a curved line. We're going to sort of arch this out to the side of the body now. Now from here, right in the middle, flattening that line out. We're going to curve this line out again. Let's step down on this line, curving that across. And then again, one more time, just coming down from here, arching that in towards the side, just making sure we leave a little bit of a gap there. Now let's come over for the arms. So we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming out from our torso. And then we're just gonna round that edge out. Now from here, let's draw in 2 diagonal lines coming down. And then we're going to move up again, curving this across, pulling that back in. Let's add our details in the hand. So right where the thumb starts here, curving that up. Now right where the thumb ends here, we're going to bring that diagonal line up. And now let's connect it. So we're going to curve that across. And then we're going to round out the bottom, curving that out to the side, finishing that off. Lastly, our legs. So we're going to let's come down on this side, and we're going to arch this line around and in, and we're going to leave a gap. Now from this line, we're going to bring our diagonal line in towards the foot. And then we're going to tuck this diagonal line in towards the side of the leg. Let's come down. We're gonna basically draw in a letter V here. So we're just gonna draw that letter V, creating a triangle right in the center where the knee would be. And now let's just finish off the foot. So let's come up on this line. We're gonna curve this out. Let's move in from this line, diagonal line coming up. And then lastly, we're just gonna round this out to the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Iron Man for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.